Hey, welcome to How's It channel. We continue our course called How to Go from 32-bit to 64-bit in Windows 10. It will have 5 video tutorials with detailed instructions. Today's video is the last one, and we will show you how to restore data from a backup of Windows 10. We showed you how to create a backup in the second lesson. Plug in the USB flash drive you used to create a backup. Go to the left bottom corner of your desktop and click on the Windows icon. The Start menu will pop up. You can see a small gear above the same Windows icon. Click on it. It opens a Windows Settings tab. Go to Update and Security. Click on Backup in the left side menu. Click on More Options and choose Restore Files from a current backup. Click on Configure File History Settings. Select the drive in the new window and click Turn On. Close the window and click on Restore Files from a current backup. You will see all your files in the new window. Select all of them and click on the green round button at the bottom of the page. Wait until it's done. Congrats! You've restored your files. That was the last tutorial in our course. Don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more videos coming. We upload every day.